Thank you for watching this clip on compound interest. Today we have an interesting problem that we were given. We want to achieve 9690.38 cents. Okay, given $32.45, $72 of investment at the beginning, and it's compounded 12 times in a year in 11 years. Okay, so basically this is where we start. This is where we want to end with, and we're asking to find what R is, given that N is number of compounds per year. Okay, so if it's compound monthly, then we'll have a 12. So in order to solve this equation, R is digging in way deep. So the way we would do it is we got to get this number over, take natural log, so that's exponential comes down, and then we can solve for R. So basically we're digging the R out. Okay, mathematically this is how we do it. Let's divide this number over 32.45, 72. This becomes natural log. I'm going to take a natural log on this side as well. 1 plus R over 12, 11 times 12. Okay, this side becomes number. This side, this comes down, 12 times 11, and natural log of 1 plus R to the 12th. Okay, let's move this big ln over here. Okay. Now we're going to divide this one, so I have natural log 1 plus R to the 12th equal to ln, let's write this whole thing down, 9690.38. I always tell my students, don't bother to evaluate it too early because there's just a whole bunch of decimals anyway. Okay, 12 times 11. Okay, so all I did is I isolated this chunk, because once I isolate this chunk, this side is equal to number. When I evaluate it in the calculator, I have 8286 roughly. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is natural log of 1 plus R over 12 is equal to approximately 0.008286. Okay. From here, in order to get the R out, I'm going to raise it to the e to this power and do the same thing on this side. And then here, when I raise the e to the ln, 1 plus R over 12 comes down all by itself. Now here, this side is another number. This number happened to be 1.00832. Okay, here, just a linear equation to solve now. Let's dig R out. R over 12 is equal to 1 minus 1.00832 multiplied by 12. R, on my calculator, I had a 0.0998, or roughly is equal to 0.10, or R is 10%. Okay, so here's the answer. Now let's go give a quick review. So this equation is where we started with. Okay, where we start, what we want to end up with, how often the bank compound. Compound means how often they take a look at how much money you have. You want them, of course, do as often as you can. For this case, we're compound monthly, so N is equal to 12. Okay, it's 11 years. So once we get into this equation, notice the R is buried way deep. So all the steps over here is basically digging R's out into this linear equation. And from here, it's pretty easy to solve. All right. Hi, this is Dr. Pan, host of Tucson Math Doc channel on YouTube. Hope you watched this one and benefited from this clip. Have a confident day.